And currently we can see Ethereum is trying to put in this nice celery stick right here to the upside and has darn near reached this next area of resistance that I've been talking about in my previous videos. At the time of making this video, Ethereum is up about 4%. The day still has about 6 hours and 46 remaining in the trading session, so we'll see how things progress throughout the day. But I'll come back to this price action chart towards the end of this video and I'll do a follow-up on my analysis. And checking in at the total Ethereum spot ETF inflows. And this data does lag a little bit, but we can see recently that there's finally some interest in the Ethereum ETF. We can see right here, very recently, there was 132 million worth of inflows. And not too long before that, we had 332 million worth of inflows. And Ethereum certainly has been a massive laggard. This ETF was not a success, especially compared to Bitcoin, to say the least. But there was still a lot of regulatory uncertainty. You had Gary Gensler flailing all over the place, suing everybody, and markets just typically hate uncertainty and a lack of clarity. Now that we're coming into 2025, a new administration's coming in, there's likely going to be some regulatory clarity and probably dovish, and it'll probably be good overall for the crypto space, and a lot more interest will likely begin to flow into Ethereum. 2025 does kind of seem like the year for Ethereum. And we've got an X post here from Cointelegraph saying, despite the poor performance of Ethereum's price compared to BTC and Solana over the past couple of years, there are plenty of potential technical, regulatory, institutional, and other tailwinds in store for Ethereum in 2025. I tend to agree. And I'll leave a link for this in the description down below for anyone that might be interested in giving this a read through. But this is Magazine by Cointelegraph, and we have Comeback 2025. Is Ethereum poised to catch up with Bitcoin and Solana? Roadmap headwinds and FUD stalled Ethereum's price performance in 2024, but there are signs that it may turn a corner in the new year. And I do tend to agree. It is my opinion that Ethereum is going to do just fine in this bull run, and it does seem like 2025 will be the year. And popping over to Google Trends to look at the search term Ethereum, I have this set to worldwide over the past 12 months, just to get an idea of the interest from retail investors. And we can see that it's currently at a 71, so there's certainly some interest being expressed into Ethereum. As the price of it moves higher, more and more retail is interested in it and beginning to search for it. And this still hasn't hit the critical level of 100, and the last time we saw that was back here in March. And jumping back into the price action of Ethereum on a daily time frame inside TradingView. And we can see Ethereum is now at 4.88% as this video moves along. Quick recap from my last couple of videos. When Ethereum was trading down here, I was saying that I was looking for a clear and decisive break above this purple liquid zone here, and more importantly above this horizontal line right here. And we did get that nice celery stick to the upside, closing this daily right here on nice convincing volume down below. From there I was saying, hey look, a back test of that area is perfectly fine, but we want to see the candle bodies close above that horizontal. If Ethereum manages to do that, that's going to be very bullish and likely initiate a test of the next major area of resistance, which is this purple liquid zone up here. And Ethereum's almost got there already with about 6 hours remaining in the trading day. Now, if I zoom out a bit, the reason why that horizontal was so important for me was because it was the last known major rejection point before this catastrophic waterfall in price action to the downside. So it's nice to see price action break up above that level and then flip it into support. So that classic SR flip where the former resistance becomes future support. Now, this purple zone I've got marked up above is the next major area, which is right here. So if Ethereum starts closing daily candles up above that level, whether it's sooner than later or if it takes a little bit of time, don't care, as long as we get those closures above that and then flipping that area into support as well. So the bottom side of that purple box is coming in at about 3,885 approximately, and the top side at 3,987 approximately. So if we can get up above there, close those dailies, it's going to be looking even better yet. Dropping down to the momentum, we see the RSI is back into the bullish control zone, pointed to the upside, and we see the EMA is also getting into the bullish control zone. And this has plenty of room to run as the bulls are making their attempt at that next major area of resistance. So looking good here on the RSI. Dropping down to the stochastic momentum, we see that it is getting into that extreme zone. Not a big deal. When an asset is starting to show strength and beginning to trend to the upside, the stochastic momentum can stay nuclear for quite some time. And what we can see currently is the stochastic looking for just another fresh cross to the upside, signaling to us that the bullish momentum is still quite present, and that is obviously confirmed by the price structure. If we look at the moving averages, I'll just go ahead and do this quickly. Let's go ahead and get rid of all these guys. and we're going to leave the 55 and 200. So the green one here is the 55 EMA, and the purple one is a 200 EMA. And what we can see here is a nice fresh golden cross, and that golden cross is well underway right now. So another major point on the board for the bulls. We're looking at a daily time frame. This can take some time to play out, but to see a golden cross coming in on the daily is another encouraging sign for Ethereum. Now, if you're new to crypto or you just want to learn more about the space, I want to invite you over to my YouTube channel. If you come to my channel and you click here on playlists, here's where you're going to find an entire library of a bunch of free tutorials, all the way from how to use a self-custody hot wallet like Phantom Wallet or MetaMask, and a variety of different crypto exchanges. And these are all playlists and they're completely free. So for example, if we came over here to weeks and clicked on full playlist, not only will you find the step-by-step beginner tutorials on how to use the spot market, how to trade on futures, but you'll find additional tutorials on different topics regarding that playlist. Again, these tutorials are completely free. I spent a lot of time during the bear market creating all of these for you, so make sure to pop over to my channel, click on playlists, and take advantage of this free content. I'll be adding more playlists in the future, as well as adding more videos to the existing playlists that you see here. And that's what I got for you in this video. So if you got some value out of that, don't forget to leave me a like and hit subscribe for future content. If you do subscribe, make sure to tick the bell down below so you're notified when I put out future videos. Thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. And until I do, have yourself a powerful day.